Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be going over the Valet parking feature in the backend. Go ahead and log in to your FlexiPose account. To the left, you will see the Valet parking tab. In the Valet parking tab, the first thing you will see is the parking lots you already have set up, or if you want to add more, then this is where you will do it. We're going to go ahead and show you how to add a parking lot. So go ahead and click where it says add a parking lot. Here you will add the name for the lot, the company phone number, and the capacity number for the parking lot, meaning how many cars fit in this lot. Then we have to add the location of the lot, so you will go ahead and put the state, city or county, and the exact address. You also have the option to use the find location, which will let your device locate your exact location. Then go ahead and click next. The first box is pin configuration. You get to pick how long you want the pins to be, or if you want them to be alphanumeric. Secondly, we have the pin loss configuration box. Here you will be able to enter a pin loss rate. Then you have the option to use either plate, email or phone number to recover their lost pin number. Then you have the required parameters that will be shown when a customer checks in. Here you can choose what information you want from your customers. You can choose from a plate number, which is mandatory, key, color, brand, model, damage report, and email or phone number, which is also mandatory. Lastly, we have requested vehicles. You'll have the option to allow your customers to quickly request their vehicles on their way out. Then we have the checkout time, which is set up to 15 minutes. This value will be used when the client requests to withdraw their vehicle using SMS. If the client exceeds the stated time, the amount to be paid will be calculated according to this value. Right here in this line, you will enter the amount you want to charge your customer in case of exceeded checkout time. This rate will be used when the client requests to withdraw their vehicle using SMS. If the client exceeds the stated time, the amount to be paid will be this value. To show you the express mode, you will only have 3 boxes: pin configuration, required parameters to check in, and check-in, which only allows damage report or email/phone number. And lastly, request vehicle box. Then we're going to go ahead and click next. Now we're going to go into pricing. Here, you're going to be able to adjust pricing for additional hours and additional fractions, meaning after how much exceeded time they will be charged. Then you can customize your intervals. You will enter the amount of time for the first interval and how much it would cost. For example, the first hour will cost $5. Then would be the second interval, and you can choose how much you want to charge for that. For example, for 2 hours it would be $10, and any additional hour would cost $3. You will also have the option to charge a flat rate for your parking lot. If you choose that option, you will simply put the amount you want to charge. After that, go ahead and click finish, and now your parking lot is successfully created. The status of each parking lot. You will always be able to see the settings, and if you want to adjust anything, you can click on details, and here you will see all the information you filled out in the beginning. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that you can add the brand of the car and update it. Now we're going to go ahead and customize your ticket footer. Here, you're able to add any sponsors that you have and their advertisements, as well as a disclaimer. And to your right, you can see a live preview of how your ticket will look. Once you're done editing, you can go ahead and update it. And next, we're going to go to terminals. Now we're going to assign the terminals, so click on Assign Terminals. You will see a list of terminals, and you can assign which terminals you want to be used at this parking lot. Now click Assign, and it's going to ask for a password, which only the admin has access to. In the terminal home screen, you can search for specific terminals. And there's no limit on how many terminals you can have for the parking lot, so you can have as many terminals as you want. Remember, all our terminals are contactless, so it is smoother and quicker to process payments. Lastly, we're going to go to the Tickets tab. Here you will see all the closed tickets. You will see their check-in time, serial, plate, email, phone number, and status. And you will also have the option to search for a specific ticket in the search bar. And like always, all this information can be downloaded in PDF, XLS, and CSV formats. And that's it for our valet parking backend. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video. Remember to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.